Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. As always, I'd like to give a big thank you to all my subscribers. Recently, I was contacted and asked if I'd like to review a Saker 10-inch contour gauge. So that's what I'm going to do now. Right, before I get into it, I just want to say I'm not being paid to do this. They've kindly sent me this out for free so I can give my opinions on it. So let's take it out of the box and have a look. Some instructions on how to use it. Comes with a little tiny Allen key. It's got a locking mechanism. It's got two little Allen key grub screws so you can adjust the tension. So when you put it round your profile and you lock it, you can put tension on these so the lock in place even tighter. It's got inches and centimetres on both sides, which is nice. Right, now I've got it out of the box. The instructions say this profile gauge creates an instant template for curved and odd-shaped profiles, simply and easily. Never transfer profiles to paper or cardboard again. The contour gauge makes measuring and cutting easy. It's also available in a 5-inch version. The contour gauge is ideal for measuring mouldings for reproduction and duplicating spindles on the lathe. Now that bit's caught my attention because I never thought of using one of these on a lathe, but I'd like to have a go at turning two identical vases. So I think this will come in useful for that in future. The back of the box gives you some measurements for it. So in total it is 280 millimeters. In width 130. This section is 40 millimeters and the orange section is 260 millimeters long. All you do, press it against whatever you want to profile. Pull your locking lever and then just transfer it with a pen or a pencil, and then you've got your line that you can cut out. And just reset it and try again. Lock it up again. And there you've got your line to cut to again. It's made from quality ABS plastic, which is high strength. It's rust proof apparently and durable. It feels well made. Feels comfortable in the hand. I'm sure this will be very useful for a variety of different jobs, both around the home and around the workshop. I'm looking forward to using it. I haven't got any DIY projects coming up or anything like that. No laminate flooring or carpets. Did all those years ago. But I'm looking forward to using it on the lathe and using it for other projects in my workshop. Overall, I think it's well made. I like it. And like I said, I'm looking forward to using it. Right, the only downside I can see to it is the fact that they give you the little Allen key for the little grub screws on the end, but there's actually nowhere on it to store the Allen key. And with it being such a small Allen key, that'll be quite easy to lose. Now for me, in my workshop, that's not a problem, because I've got Allen keys. But if you're throwing it in and out of a toolbox and you lose that, that might cause you some problems. But that's only a minor gripe. What I'll do is I'll use it as much as I can. If I have any problems with it, I'll do a follow-up review and let you know what those problems are. I think an important question is, if I'd have bought this with my own money, would I have been happy with it? Yeah, I would. If I'd have spent my own money on this, I'd have been more than happy with it. I'm not going to tell you how much they are. I'll let you go and take a look on their website. The website for this is www.smartsaker.com. They did send me an Amazon link where you can look these up, and I'll try and put that link in the description. I'll also try and put a link to the smartsaker website. I'd like to give a big thank you to Saker for giving me the opportunity to review this tool and for sending it me for free. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.